In Snake Charmer, we leverage a robotic arm to provide tactile feedback to a virtual reality environment. Users can reach into the interactive volume to touch virtual objects. The robotic arm moves to spatially align with the virtual object in order to provide a physical feedback to the user's touch. Our prototype consists of a stereoscopic head-mounted display that tracks the user's head to provide motion parallax. The user's hands are rendered when inside the volume. In this example, when the user touches a virtual shoe, they are actually touching the robotic arm. Here, we can see a virtual representation of the robotic arm aligning with the user's hand. By rotating the robotic arm endpoint, we can support different tactile effects. In this case, the user can feel multiple types of material. Endpoints can be easily changed by simply having the arm pick up a replacement that contains different tactile effects. There are endless possibilities for endpoints, from non-textured surfaces to interactive surfaces. We now present a variety of endpoints implemented during our explorations. We can provide spatially aligned textures for different models. In this example, the robotic arm adjusts the endpoint texture according to the shoe being touched. We simulate temperatures by using a Peltier pad, which can heat up or cool down when current is applied to it. In this example, one pad is at 23 degrees Celsius, while the other is at around 40 degrees Celsius. The user not only feels a physical surface, but has the added value of feeling the object's temperature. We can also interact with objects. We've implemented a pressure-sensitive endpoint. Touching it with one finger is considered a normal touch, but we also support grabbing objects by detecting touch points on multiple surfaces. With this, the user can still feel objects, but by grabbing the endpoint, the virtual object can be repositioned or otherwise manipulated. Virtual objects can also be embodied with physical behaviors, and the robotic arm can intentionally interfere with user actions. In this example, a virtual snake attacks the user if their hand gets too close. The future envisioned in Snake Charmer is one where the barriers between what is real and what is virtual are seamlessly blended.